Hello students, we are going to discuss about standard heat of reaction from standard heat of combustion problem. First problem, calculate the standard heat of reaction of the following reaction: oxalic acid dissociated to produce formic acid and carbon dioxide. Data: component oxalic acid, formic acid, delta HC0, it is expressed in kilojoule per mole at a standard condition 25 degree Celsius and 0.1 megapascal, minus 247.76 minus 254.64. Are you clear or not? Okay. So for this problem, so 1 mole of oxalic acid to produce 1 mole of formic acid and 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Oxalic acid state of aggregation solid, formic acid state of aggregation liquid, whereas carbon dioxide state of aggregation gas. Are you clear or not? Okay. For this problem, carbon dioxide data are not given. What do you do here? Those component values are not given in the problem. We should take as 0. Are you clear or not? Okay. In examination, the standard heat of combustion data will be provided in the problem itself. If not, table will be provided and we have to collect the data from the table. Are you clear or not? Okay. So after that, how will you identify this problem is a standard heat of reaction from standard heat of combustion? In problem itself, standard heat of combustion values are given, then it is a standard heat of reaction from standard heat of combustion. What is the formula? Standard heat of reaction from standard heat of combustion, delta H R naught is equal to summation of delta H C naught reactant minus summation of delta H C naught product. So as per the reaction, how many reactant, how many products are formed? So from the reaction, only one reactant, two products are formed. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here first we are going to concentrate reactant. So there, which one is the reactant here? Oxalic acid. Oxalic acid standard heat of combustion data are given. You should take as minus 247.76. What about the stoichiometric coefficient here? So only 1 moles are reacted. You should take as 1. Are you clear or not? Okay. 1 into delta HC0 oxalic acid value substitute here. So then we are going to concentrate product. We have two products. One is formic acid, another one carbon dioxide. So but here carbon dioxide data are not given. We should take as 0. So only formic acid. Substitute formic acid value here. How many moles of formic acid produced here? As per the reaction, 1 mole of formic acids are produced. So what do you do here? 1 into standard heat of combustion values of formic acid. Are you clear or not? Okay. Substitute all the values here. Finally we get 9.88 kilojoule. So these values are positive or negative? These values are positive. So delta H R naught values are positive. This reaction is a endothermic reaction. What is endothermic? Heat absorbing during a chemical reaction. Second problem, calculate the heat of reaction at 25 degrees Celsius of the following reaction: C2H6 gives C2H4 plus H2. Are you clear? Okay. So C2H4 is a ethylene, C2H6 ethane. Are you clear or not? Okay. So ethane dissociated to produce ethylene gas and hydrogen. So all the components are state of aggregation gaseous. Are you clear or not? Okay. Data are given: C2H6, that is ethane, C2H4 ethylene and hydrogen H2. Are you clear or not? Okay. So all these three components data are given. So the first step, you should write basis of this problem 1 mole of ethylene gas produced as per the reaction. So the reaction C2H6 gives C2H4 plus H2. From this reaction only one reactant, so the two products. Are you clear or not? Okay. So how will you identify? This problem is a standard heat of reaction from standard heat of combustion. In problem itself, standard heat of combustion values are given, then it is a standard heat of reaction from standard heat of combustion problem. Are you clear or not? Okay. So what is the formula? Standard heat of reaction from standard heat of combustion, delta H R naught is equal to summation of delta H C naught reactant minus summation of delta H C naught product. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here first we are going to concentrate reactant side. How many reactants are reacted? Only one reactant, C2H6. Are you clear or not? Okay, that is the ethane. So how many moles are ethane reacted here? 1 mole ethanes are reacted. You should take stoichiometric coefficient of ethane is the 1. 1 into standard heat of combustion of ethane. This is a given data. Substitute here. So next we are going to concentrate product. How many products are formed in this reaction? We have two products. One is ethylene gas, another one is a hydrogen. How many moles of ethylene gas is produced here? Only 1 mole. You should take a stoichiometric coefficient of ethylene gas 1. So multiply by standard heat of combustion of ethylene gas. Plus how many moles of hydrogen is produced here? 1 mole. You should take a stoichiometric coefficient of hydrogen 1. 1 into standard heat of combustion of hydrogen. These data are also given. Substitute all the values here. Finally we get standard heat of reaction value 136.34 kilojoule. So whether the standard heat of reaction is positive or negative, based upon this only the reaction is exothermic or endothermic. So our result is a positive, delta H R naught. So that's why our reaction is a endothermic reaction. Endothermic means heat absorbing during a chemical reaction. Are you clear or not? Okay. This is the another type of the problem. So calculate enthalpy change between reactant and product if both are at 25 degrees Celsius and if 10 mole of formaldehyde is produced according to the following reaction. Methane react with oxygen to produce formaldehyde, is right, HCHO plus water. Students, keep in your mind this problem data are not given. What do you do here? Already I said in examination standard heat of combustion data will be provided in the problem itself. If not, table will be provided and we have to collect the data from the table. Are you clear or not? Okay. So in the table we have only methane and formaldehyde value. Oxygen and water values are not available in the table. What you do here? Those components values are not given in the problem or table. We should take as 0. Are you clear or not? Okay. As per the reaction, oxygen and water standard heat of combustion values are 0. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here methane and formaldehyde values are taken from table. How will you take? We will discuss in the next slide. This is the standard heat of combustion of organic compounds table. First column substance, second column formula and state, third column minus delta H C naught. So kilojoule per mole at a standard condition 25 degrees Celsius 0.1 megapascal. So this is the cross value, next column net value. So students, keep in your mind you should take cross value only. We don't want net value. Why? Because standard heat of combustion values are available at a standard condition. So in cross value only. Are you clear or not? Okay. So you should take cross value because this is the standard condition value. Are you clear or not? Okay. From this table we want formaldehyde. Formaldehyde standard heat of combustion value. Formaldehyde component formula CH2O gas is are clear. Okay. So the values are 563.46. You should take as 563.46, that is minus delta HC. So we want a delta HC means that is equal to minus 563.46. Keep in our mind, in the table they have mentioned that these are the values are minus delta HC naught. So what do you do here? We want a delta HC naught minus 563.46. Are you clear or not? Okay. Next we want methane value. Methane state of aggregation gas. Methane value from this table 890.65, that is equal to minus delta HC naught. We want delta HC naught. What do you do here? Minus 890.65. Are you clear or not? Okay, already I said in this table these are the values are, that is equal to minus delta HC naught. We want delta HC naught minus 890.65. Are you clear or not? Okay. Solution part. As per the problem, you should write basis 1 mole of formaldehyde produce. Next you take chemical reaction from the problem. CH4 plus oxygen gives formaldehyde and water. All components are state of aggregation gas. What is the formula? Standard heat of reaction from standard heat of combustion. Standard heat of reaction delta H R naught is equal to summation of delta H C naught reactant minus summation of delta H C naught product. Are you clear or not? Okay. So first we are going to concentrate reactant value. So as per the reaction, how many reactants are reacted? We have two reactants. One is methane, another one is the oxygen. First we are going to take methane value. What is the stoichiometric coefficient of methane? 1. Why? Because 1 mole of methane is a reactor. So here you should take stoichiometric coefficient of methane 1 multiplied by standard heat of combustion value. This is given data. Substitute here. Are you clear or not? Okay. So another component oxygen. Oxygen data are not given in the problem. So oxygen data are not available in the table. What do you do here? Simply you take as 0. Are you clear or not? Okay. So you don't worry about the oxygen. Oxygen values are 0. Next we are going to concentrate product side. How many products are produced here? We have two products. One is formaldehyde, another one water. So for this problem, water data are not available in the table. What do you do here? You should take as 0. Are you clear or not? Okay, you don't worry about the water. So only consider formaldehyde. So what is the stoichiometric coefficient of formaldehyde in this problem? Only 1. Why? Because 1 mole of formaldehyde is produced. So you should take as 1. This is the stoichiometric coefficient of formaldehyde. 1 multiplied by standard heat of combustion of formaldehyde. Are you clear or not? Okay. So finally we get 327.19 kilojoule. So this is minus negative value. Is it correct? So the standard heat of reaction. So as per the problem, standard heat of reactions are negative value. So whether the reaction is exothermic or endothermic based on standard heat of reaction value. From this problem, standard heat of reaction negative, the reactions are exothermic reaction. What is exothermic? Heat releasing during a chemical reaction. Are you clear or not? Okay. So then as per the reaction, 1 mole of formaldehyde produced mean standard heat of reaction minus 327.19. Are you clear or not? Okay. So as per the problem, 1 mole is equal to minus 327.19 19. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is the standard heat of reaction value. So as per the problem, 10 mole of formaldehyde produced means, so what about the standard heat of reaction value? So minus 327.19 multiplied by 10 is right. So here this is multiplied by 10 divided by 1. Are you clear? Okay. So finally we get minus 3271.9 kilojoule. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is also negative value. Finally we get the reaction is a exothermic reaction. So during a chemical reaction, heat is released. Are you clear or not? Okay. Thank you for your attention.